Caldo Verde. Begin with 2 shallots. Remove and discard the ends. Slice down the middle. Remove and discard the outer skin. "16-ounce canned white beans. Drain the beans but do not rinse them. 1 pound potato. Remove and discard any blemishes. Slice the potato into semicircles. Place water in the potatoes to avoid them turning brown. Ensure water is between each potato piece. 7.9-ounce Palacios chorizo. It is important that the chorizo says "ready to eat." Remove the string. Cut the chorizo in half and down the center. Cut the chorizo into 1/2-inch semicircles. When looking for the right chorizo, make sure it is firm. Chorizo oil should squeeze out without dripping. In a flat pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add the shallots and 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Stir frequently for 3 minutes. Four cups chicken broth. Add the potatoes. Quarter cup sherry. Quarter cup heavy cream. The zest of a lemon. 1/3 teaspoon smoked paprika, stir and bring to a slight boil or a hard simmer. Place lid on top while reducing the heat. Cook for 15 minutes to soften the potatoes. Four cups fresh baby kale. Add the beans, add the Palacios chorizo, mix. You should see some of the dark chorizo oil come to the top. Cover and simmer for an additional 10 minutes. A gentle stir to bring up the colors, but not to break the potato. Using a ladle, scoop out a serving. Followed by the broth. Top it with a zest of lemon. And enjoy your caldo verde.